Of course, increasingly, this is an AI first conversation, and now really generative AI first
Right.
conversation. And I think we've really seen the industry rapidly evolve in its thinking as it's gone from understanding the technology to figuring out use case ideation, right, and getting a kind of quick list of targeted areas they want to pursue and look at, to then going through this whole end-to-end process of actually operationalizing the technology. And that's really where we started to see some real road bumps, right? That's where the rub is, particularly in a regulated industry like banking, because you have so much that you have to go through, all these traps you have to run in order to do that in a way that fits within your risk management governance, in order that complies with all the three lines of defense and everything that they do at a bank, and also that's going to pass muster with regulators. And so there's so much to that, right? And we know that that work traditionally has been very manual, right, and has not scaled very well. And it's a very common frustration point internally at all banks. And so what's really amazing about this partnership with Corridor is that they are a massive accelerator for our customers in getting through all that, and really helping them now create a flywheel, essentially, this kind of virtuous cycle where they can much more quickly go from the point of having a generative AI use case that they want to put in production, working through everything that they need to align internally in order to deliver it, and then using a workbench and a platform like Corridor and their GenGuard AI specifically to then accelerate the process and to really shorten the cycle time for being able to get that into production. So that to me is tremendously exciting. It's because everyone is, of course, racing to figure out how you can create this kind of factory model for generative AI so that you can
Right.
get as much in production as quickly as possible and really maximize your business value. Of course, all the banks are looking around and they know that everyone else is doing this as well, right? And they know that a lot of this is going to come down to execution, right? Who can create that the best flywheel around their data, who has the right highly performant infrastructure with all the security built in that you need, and who will be able to line up all those internal enablers to be successful and to win in their business. So it's a really exciting time to work with banks, and it's a really exciting time for us to work with Corridor on partnering with those banks to help them transform.